A diverse group of concerned citizens has created a process for generating a community vision that ensures all constituents and stakeholders of having an equal voice. This unique visioning process develops measurable criteria that serve as indicators for quality of life. Quality of life is a complex notion, a composite of many components that together measure the extent to which the community thrives. These include the attractiveness of its surroundings, its economic benefit, the balance between jobs and access to housing, the ratio between health services and income, and its cultural environment. Stakeholders of the project in question are a fluid collection of individuals that embody the community's governance, health, education, physical growth and development, culture, business, and recreational constituencies, which are depicted as the petals. The process begins by bringing together members of each constituency, all of whom are legitimate stakeholders, to explore and empower the unique set of values, objectives, and perspectives of that constituency as they relate to quality of life for the community. The next step in the process is the Stakeholder Assembly, a forum where representatives from each constituency convene. Input from all the constituent groups are blended, revealing the degree of stakeholder consensus in the indicators of quality of life. In parallel with the Stakeholder Assembly, a community-intensive process allows for more broad-based participation by individuals who are either unable to attend the Stakeholder Assembly or who are not affiliated with any of the constituent groups. This part of the process begins in the morning and extends into the evening for a period of 2 to 3 days. The community intensive is a less structured process that uses additional tools such as community design modules, maps, and visioning boards where participants can place sticky notes describing their ideas and input for the community vision. Artists and facilitators are on site to aid participants in articulating their contributions. At all stages of the process, art is used to fill the void for concepts that are difficult to articulate. While the measurable criteria capture the quantitative components of quality of life, art is used to capture the more qualitative components. The artist, as part of the facilitation, renders iconic expression where words go missing and helps transcend disparity. Sticky notes are an essential part of the process that allows participants to directly experience their own contributions as they touch and write the notes, place them on the board, hear their distinct voice, and feel a sense of ownership that resonates with the group. Look, that's my idea mixed with all the others. Empowerment emerges for unified action. Video is used only to capture the results of the process. Images of the sticky notes and artistic renderings, along with the narratives and print documentation, are all stored in an archive database that can be accessed by the public in the form of an art gallery. Material from the Stakeholder Assembly and the Community Intensive may be blended, creating a comprehensive framework for the quality of life that the community is creating. Further refinement solidifies the design standard for presentation by empowered participants to decision makers such as the County Board of Supervisors. El Dorado County has an ethical obligation to accommodate in its plans all perspectives held by residents and constituents within the El Dorado County community. This includes the citizen on the street as well as the agencies that provide support, service, protection, and guidance. To fulfill this obligation, it is incumbent upon the county to hear, acknowledge, and respond to the many voices of the people who live and work here. The process described above encourages this exchange and capacity to find common ground in the search for well-being. It recognizes that we all have unique and valuable perceptions and skills to offer, and that only by working together can we create a community that is beautiful and healthy, represents its members, and encourages and supports meaningful economic benefit. The quality of life design standards must be a clear ethical statement that represents tangible economic and well-being benefits for the community. The statement must be realized through specific measurable protocols implemented for action.